We're going to talk then about discussions and how you can use them, but it sounds like you guys use them already for a variety of reasons. So you know all the benefits of using discussions for conversations, for debate. You can show video and have them analyze it. Group discussions, sometimes people use them as FAQ spaces or places to share feedback, virtual gallery, showcase of student work. For all kinds of really great reasons, you'd want to use online discussions. And I want to show you what it looks like for an instructor to grade a discussion. So first I want to show you that sample reflective discussion in my view, which looks very similar to yours. But some of the tools that you see as an instructor. Up here, I'm going to see these small little numbers. That's letting me know how many replies there are. There are 20 to this discussion. And the one that's in red, this is my unread that I haven't seen yet. So if I want to see the ones that are unread, I've got a button right here, and I believe you have it too as students. So you can click on unread and it will show you then the ones that you haven't looked at yet. And then I'm going to reset that. That's another tool. The other thing I could do is I could search in here. You can search for a student's name, or you could search for a keyword. So if I was seeing if anyone said the calendar was their favorite one, so I did a search in there, and it looks like Sarah thought that the calendar was, oh, and so did Elena. That they both mentioned the calendar in theirs. Probably a few others of you, Jody. Now notice that there's a little red dot next to these, which means it's unread. So if I want to mark that as read, I can clear that out and I can mark it as read again. And normally when you're just scrolling down the page and looking at them, that will go clear for you to mark, then Canvas will mark that as read. So those are just some tools that you can see while you're on that page. This will allow me to collapse them up. Like there's these two tools right there. This opens them up so that I can see both their reply and if anyone replied to them. This will collapse them so I can see it in a smaller view. I can see here that someone has responded to Jonathan's. So that's why you're seeing these collapse and uncollapse tools. You can subscribe to this, and in that case, you would get notifications when there's a new post on it. You'll also get notified if someone responds to you. Now, you as the instructor will have the ability to edit someone's post should you have to, and you can also delete if you have to, if you did see that a student's post was inappropriate. Jonathan's favorite feature is the ability to add a GIF, which is, I agree, GIFs are so much fun.